Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to Windows 10 set time automatically not working fix. So guys, if you are into Windows 10 set time automatically not working fix, so very easy. First click on start, after click on settings. After click on time and language settings. And here option set time zone automatically. So click on other way, click on start, type here services. Now scroll down. After click on Windows 10, open Windows 10. Click on this drop box. After click on automatic. Click on apply. Click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to Windows 10 set time automatically not working fix. Now, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video is full or not.